So I start off by washing my wine bottles and getting the wrapper off of it. Then this little thing that's at the top of each wine bottle, I try to remove that with the knife before I go in spray painting it. And then while still inside, I make sure that I mask up and glove up. And then well, as you can see, because before Corona, this is what I was doing to spray paint. But yeah, before I just make sure everything is laid out before I go outside. So what I do is I lay down some old like newspaper and stuff. Like I don't know if you guys get a whole bunch of like coupons and well, not coupons, but like ads to your mailbox. So I use that. They usually come in the newspaper, and then I had some other scrap paper, the brown paper that was lying around from packaging. So I used that to like cover over my porch because of course I'm renting. So I didn't want to get any paint down while I was outside on our patio. So I laid down a whole bunch of newspaper and then I just spray paint a whole bunch of coats on top of the wine bottles, just making sure I got it even. I did realize that I had to do it in smaller sections because when it was laying down, of course, the paint was starting to stick. So I stood the bottle up, as you can see where I'm doing now. I stood the bottle up and I spray painted it and just kept rotating the bottle and just painting the different sides. I found that easier than trying to lay it down and paint it. But yeah, so I'm just going over it a couple times to make sure it's evenly coated. I know with the white, I had like the worst time because it was still being able to, like, you could see through it. So I was still being able to see through the color. I can't remember what the original color was, but I know I had like a green bottle and I know I had a few clear bottles, but that was what I did. And then eventually, once they were all painted, I just took them inside. I let them dry overnight. As you can see, it's dark out. But then I put the bottles I had in the box that I had lying around. I think it was like an Amazon box. And I grabbed some Mod Podge you can find at your craft store. And then I used some Epsom salt to be like fake snow. And then I used the corks. I reused the corks and put the Merry Christmas signs on the index cards. And then I got some Dollar Tree flowers, fake flowers for Christmas time. And yeah, this is the setup.